There are 3 ways to emotionally connect. The first way is to build emotional connection through eye contact. Eye contact is an important way to emotionally connect with any size audience. This is true for one-on-one conversations and presentations. Generally speaking, the longer the eye contact is maintained between 2 people, the greater the intimacy that is developed. Eye contact has been shown to be a significant factor in the persuasion process. How long should you maintain eye contact with a person? In business and sales conversations and presentations, look at members of your audience long enough to convey a single thought, phrase, or idea. Practice across the dinner table with your family or friends. Whether it's a boardroom table or a dinner table, make sure you share eye contact with everyone. Others rarely interrupt 2 people engaged in a conversation if they have consistent eye contact. Through observing eye contact, others, at least thoughtful others, can tell if it's okay to join in the conversation. Eye contact can have a powerful effect on how people perceive you. The more eye contact you can maintain, the more self-esteem people perceive you have. Eye contact is also an important way to build an emotional bond and likability. Self-esteem and likability give you an edge in business. It's the sign of a winner. And people want to do business with a winner. Our eyes are an important part of the delivery of our message. The clearer your eyes, the more attractive you will be perceived.